Well.
What?
Yeah, well. I feel great, and you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to go to work, right? You have to go to work now.
Yeah.
You're gonna go?
You want me to stay?
Yeah, I'd like you to stay if you'd like to.
Yeah. I guess I can skip work for today.
Okay.
I like your apartment.
Yeah? I'm glad.
Yeah. I feel great here.
You wanna stay and have lunch with me if you don't have to rush off?
Yeah, of course. I'll have a lunch with you.
You would?
Yeah.
It's nice.
You know, I can cook a Spanish omelette for you.
You'd like to do that? You'd like to cook me a Spanish
Yeah,
omelette?
I'm a really good cooker.
I'm sure you are. We could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
You know what? I'm not really a lesbian.
No?
No, but I had lesbian experiences.
What, you slept with other women?
Yeah, and I enjoyed them a lot.
And which do you prefer?
I like the way they touch my shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad.
What else?
I like the way they touch my head. And the small kisses in my neck. Yeah, like this. Not bad.
What else?